The Essays of Warren Buffett is a comprehensive collection of letters and essays written by Warren E. Buffett, one of the most successful and respected investors of all time, and compiled by Lawrence A. Cunningham. These writings provide invaluable insights into Buffett's investment philosophy, business principles, and his approach to wealth accumulation and management. The book is divided into several sections, each focusing on different aspects of Buffett's investment philosophy and management style. Here's a summary of the key themes and concepts covered in the book. 1. Investment principles. Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term value investing. He believes in buying businesses, stocks, at prices below their intrinsic value and holding them for the long haul. He advocates for a margin of safety, which means investing in companies with a significant cushion against potential losses. 2. Economic moats. Buffett discusses the concept of an economic moat, which refers to a sustainable competitive advantage that protects a company from competition. He looks for businesses with strong moats, such as brand recognition, cost advantages, and network effects. 3. Risk management. Buffett is known for his aversion to risk. He stresses the importance of avoiding investments in businesses you don't understand and maintaining a diversified portfolio. He also advises against excessive debt and leverage. 4. Market timing and speculation. Buffett warns against trying to time the market or engage in speculative trading. He advocates for a patient and disciplined approach to investing, rather than chasing short-term gains. 5. Corporate governance. Buffett places a high value on ethical and shareholder-friendly corporate governance. He discusses the importance of competent and honest management teams, as well as aligning the interests of shareholders and executives. 6. Accounting and valuation. Buffett provides insights into how he evaluates financial statements and assesses the true value of a company. He discusses the limitations of traditional accounting methods and the importance of considering economic reality. 7. Market efficiency. Buffett challenges the efficient market hypothesis, arguing that markets are often irrational and driven by emotions. He believes that investors who do their homework can find undervalued opportunities. 8. Inflation and currency. Buffett addresses the impact of inflation and currency fluctuations on investments. He advises holding assets that can preserve purchasing power over the long term. 9. Mergers and acquisitions. Buffett shares his views on mergers and acquisitions, emphasizing the importance of making acquisitions that add genuine value to the acquiring company rather than pursuing deals for the sake of growth. 10. Philanthropy. Buffett discusses his commitment to giving away the majority of his wealth to charitable causes and encourages other wealthy individuals to do the same. 11. Lessons from mistakes. Buffett candidly discusses some of his investment mistakes and what he learned from them. He emphasizes the importance of learning from failures and adapting one's approach. Overall, the Essays of Warren Buffett offers a wealth of wisdom on investment, finance, and business ethics. It serves as a timeless guide for investors and business professionals, providing them with the opportunity to learn from one of the greatest investors in history.